Salut à tous la team Badass, on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour le WOD maison. Donc le WOD maison aujourd'hui ce sera un WOD assez long, 20 minutes au total, où vous allez devoir enchaîner pendant les 17 premières minutes un maximum de tours de répétition de 40 doubles sauts à la corde. Si on ne sait pas faire les doubles sauts, on fait des sauts simples et on fait 40 aussi. Sinon je montrerai les adaptations si on n'a pas de corde à sauter. 30 sumo deadlift high pull, donc ça avec le sac à dos. Ok, je vais vous montrer le mouvement juste ensuite. Et 20 squats jambes serrées, donc des narrow squats, pareil, je vais vous montrer le mouvement. Donc on enchaîne ça pendant 17 minutes. On va le plus loin possible, maximum de tours. Puis on enchaîne directement, donc on met en fait un chrono de 20 minutes. On enchaîne directement avec un AMRAP de 3 minutes, as many reps as possible, pendant 3 minutes de candlestick. Donc je vous montrerai le mouvement avant de commencer et les adaptations. Donc ici, ceux qui ne savent pas le faire, ce sera le sit-up. En échauffement, on aura 3 rounds à faire de 30 jumping jack, 20 sumo deadlift high pull avec un bâton en plastique et 10 fentes avant. Et on enchaîne ça 3 fois. Voilà, le WOD n'est pas très compliqué. On essaye d'aller le plus loin possible dans le score. C'est parti. Donc c'est parti, je vais vous montrer les mouvements du WOD. Donc le premier, les 40 doubles sauts à la corde. Donc si vous avez une corde à sauter, vous savez ce que c'est. La corde va passer 2 fois sous les pieds. Si vous avez une corde à sauter et que vous ne savez pas faire 40 doubles sauts, vous faites juste 40 simples. Ok. Le sumo deadlift high pull. Donc là, vous pouvez reprendre votre sac à dos. Vous le remplissez comme vous voulez. Là, moi ici, il y a un bac d'eau. Bien prendre par les hanches. On serre la poitrine, on regarde devant soi. On prend le sac, on pousse dans les hanches. On tire les coudes vers le haut, on ramène le sac au menton. On tape le sol, on recommence. On tape le sol, on recommence. Le profil. On tape le sol, on recommence. On tape le sol, on recommence. Ok? On cherche bien à tirer les coudes le plus haut possible. Si vous avez un kettlebell, vous pouvez le faire avec une kettlebell. Si vous avez une barre, vous pouvez le faire avec une barre. Le narrow squat. Jambes serrées, pieds serrés. On descend, on remonte. On descend, on remonte. De profil. On descend, on remonte. On descend, on remonte. Si c'est trop dur, vous pouvez faire soit diminuer la flexion, ou alors après écarter les pieds. On va chercher un squat classique. C'est bon pour ça? Donc on enchaîne ces exercices pendant 17 minutes. 40 sauts simples, double à la corde. Ah oui, les sauts à la corde, j'ai oublié. Si on n'a pas de corde, on peut faire sur place. On saute. On vient taper les hanches au point culminant. Si on ne peut pas sauter, on utilise le poids. On monte rapidement 40 fois sur le poids. Ok? Donc adaptation, double saut, saut simple, saut sur place et montée sur le poids. Le sumo deadlift high pull, vous réglez juste le poids. Ok? Sinon vous prenez juste un bâton en plastique et vous montez comme on fera à l'échauffement. Et le squat serré, donc soit on diminue l'amplitude, soit on écarte un peu les jambes. Donc on fait ça pendant 17 minutes, puis du max candlestick. Donc là, pendant 3 minutes, vous allez faire le maximum de répétitions de ce mouvement. Ok, on cherche à se redresser directement, on pose les 2 pieds à plat sur le sol et on se redresse. Donc on s'aide des jambes pour envoyer vers l'avant. Pour se redresser, de profil. Si jamais c'est dur, vous faites juste des sit-ups. On colle les pieds, on va chercher derrière et on va chercher devant. Si jamais c'est toujours trop dur, vous posez les pieds à plat, vous venez dessus derrière et vous venez toucher les genoux. Donc le maximum de répétitions pendant 3 minutes. Normalement, vous avez toutes les bonnes adaptations. C'est parti, on débute avec l'échauffement avec 30 jumping jack, on y va. terminer, on prend le PVC ou un bâton, un balai chez soi. PVC en contact avec les tibias, on sent la poitrine, on tire les coudes vers le haut, 20 répétitions. Le profil, on garde le dos bien droit. Les mains. On tire les coudes vers le haut. On pose le bâton. 10 fentes avant alternées. C'est parti, plus que 2 tours. On est parti pour le WOD, j'ai mis un chrono de 20 minutes. Je vous mettrai un bip à 17 minutes pour que vous sachiez que vous passez sur le candlestick, donc le AMRAP de 3 minutes, et un bip pour dire que c'est terminé. Et 6 secondes, bon courage. Go!
I am ready for battle, I am ready for war. So I come for the target, I'm engaging your core. I am ready for battle, and I'm ready for war. So I come for the target, I'm engaging your core. Engage your core, man, I'm about to kill it. Gotta be the kid, I gotta be the villain. I be underrated, now I gotta do it. I'm a warrior, I'm coming with the truth. So shit, yeah, that's how we march. Back in the game when I kill it with the bars. Everybody really wanna get a piece now, but I will tear y'all apart. Cause I am the warrior, and you better know it. I am the samurai, and I'm taking it over. Yeah, I am the warrior, you better know it. Yeah, I am the samurai, and I'm taking it over. I've been marching like the samurai, and you can see it happen. Open up your set of eyes, so you can take us down. We work hard and we sacrifice, but if you step in our way, we leave you paralyzed. Oh, paralyzed. Yeah, it's the samurai. We take you down. If you wanna come and fight, that's alright. If you wanna come and fight with the samurai, you will find yourself being down and mentally just being paralyzed. Mentally being paralyzed, the samurai isn't a joke. So if you fight them in the comment zone, then you better just be woke. Cause they are the warriors, they fight for the things that they own. And they are the warriors, they fight for the spot on the throne. Yeah, cause they are the warriors, they fight for the spot, man, you know it. So if you face them with a spear up an arena, then you better just know it. Then you will be taking them down, they're making the art like there are some poets. So don't miss with the samurai, cause they will take you down, they will keep it going.
but my leg's heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it,
yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. Off topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Making back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Had my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, no react, no react. Think I'm black, off his back, while I rap, not to step. Throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Gotta play it better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get to nod that I'm right, yeah. Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Run, roll, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it,
yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening, I'm raising my status. Facing the madness, I'm out gaining traction. Avoid the distractions, I'm snapping, no captions. Attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking ask bitch. I just fucking grab it, I am never static. Massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to happen. So I will go capture it and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it, put them on blast it. They will never last it, don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic, this shit is democratic. They phone effects, yeah bitch. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back? You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
Yeah, hey, go wild, go crazy. So free, man, like I'm driving Miss Daisy. Might go stupid, brain go lazy. Time rewinds, tell the devil don't take me. Dancing with the devil and she wild with the tango. Spicy with the salsa, out on the table. Higher than a kite and her eyes red and hazel. Looking past the surface, baby, I don't see an angel. This one's for the bad girls. Wanna see you slow it down, move it faster. Baby, bring it to the ground, let me catch ya. Baby, turn it right around, throw it backwards. Throw it back, baby, turn that shit around, throw it backwards. Turn that shit around, throw it backwards. Trouble coming up fast in the rear view. 100 on the dash, red and blue in the mirror too. We don't really care, I'm excited. Might speed up, take a right, I'm riding. This one's for the bad girls. Wanna see you slow it down, move it faster. What you gonna say when I ask ya? Oh, turn it right around, throw it backwards. Throw it back, throw it back, throw it. Go crazy. Yeah.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Répétition. Ok. Pour le premier WOD, 7 tours, plus 40 DU, plus je sais plus trop, 2, 3 si vous déliftez l'épaule, et 27, je me par répétition sur le deuxième. Voilà, j'espère que ça vous a plu, vous avez pris plaisir. Si vous avez des questions, n'hésitez pas à les mettre en commentaire. Un petit like, on s'abonne et reposez-vous bien. Et à demain pour un nouveau WOD. Ciao!